Best Monzo Tips for Beginners script. Are you thinking about switching to Monzo, or have you just opened your account and are wondering how to get the most out of it? You're in the right place. Context and hook. When I first started using Monzo years ago, I treated it just like my old high street bank, a simple place to keep my main balance. I missed out on so many features that now, looking back, could have saved me money and made budgeting 1,000 times easier. This is the stuff I wish someone had told me right at the start, boiled down into the best tips for a total beginner. Main tips. Tip 1. Go beyond the main account with pots. Don't just use your main balance. The most powerful feature in Monzo is pots. Think of them as digital envelopes for specific purposes. Immediately create a pot for your next major expense, whether it's rent/mortgage, holiday savings, or even car insurance. This stops you from accidentally spending money that's already allocated. I use the goals feature within pots, which automatically calculates how much I need to set aside daily or monthly to reach a target amount by a specific date. It's set it and forget it saving. Tip 2. Master the summary tab. The summary tab isn't just a pretty graph, it's your central financial control panel. As a beginner, make sure you set your left to spend figure for the month. This is key. Monzo automatically subtracts your committed spending, like subscriptions or direct debits, and your pot savings, leaving you with an honest figure of what you can actually spend without dipping into allocated funds. It's what changed my relationship with my spending. Tip 3. Categorize every transaction. Yes, Monzo does a decent job automatically, but you need to actively check and correct the categories. If a takeaway is mislabeled as groceries, change it. If you spend on a hobby, create a custom category for it. Why? Because the summary tab and monthly reports are only useful if the data is accurate. Taking 30 seconds to fix a category gives you a clear picture of exactly where your money is going, which is the first step to saving. Tip 4. Use the roundups feature for effortless saving. This is the easiest way to save money without noticing. Enable the roundups feature and link it to one of your savings pots. Every time you spend, Monzo rounds the purchase up to the nearest pound and moves the difference into your chosen pot. For example, a $3.45 coffee becomes $4.55 goes straight to savings. It's painless, and the small amounts add up surprisingly quickly over a month. Tip 5. Get to know the merchant data. When you look at a transaction, Monzo provides incredibly detailed merchant data, often including a logo and even the location on a map. If you notice a merchant has the wrong name or details, you can suggest an edit. Why does this matter? Because better, cleaner merchant data makes your entire feed, summary, and search function much clearer and easier to use, which helps you stay organized. Conclusion. These aren't complicated tricks. They're simply the core features you need to use differently from a traditional bank account to genuinely transform how you budget, save, and manage your money. Start with pots and the summary tab, and you'll be on your way. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.